Hello, dear traders. The analytical community is in touch System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with some summary information about the company. If necessary, you can put it on stop. You can take a closer look at all the company's indicators. Now we will analyze the current fundamental indicators of the company. Torrid Holdings Inc., ticker CURV. This review is based on current information as of July 16, 2025. According to classification Guru.Markets organization, Torrid Holdings Incorporated belongs to the subcategory clothing brands. 47 organizations participate in the comparison. We will see the final solutions at the end of this video. The result for the company in question is 3.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 1.4 points. If you look broadly, within the framework of the entire US stock market in general, you can see that the average rating for the entire stock market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against the company's score of 3.5, Torrid Holdings Incorporated. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price, Torrid Holdings Incorporated, and subcategory shares, we will see that over the last 12 months, the company's shares Torrid Holdings Inc. showed a dynamics of minus 65.9%. Against price changes in the 9.9% subcategory. Market capitalization of the company Torrid Holdings Inc. amounts to $0.29 billion. With a subcategory capitalization of $273 billion. The company's book value is negative $0.18 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $52 billion. Comparing the shares of stock exchange and balance sheet capitalization, we see the following. Occupied share Torrid Holdings Inc. in the subcategory when assessing the stock market value is 0.107%. The book value is minus 0.341%. Evaluation of the company's market share and book value in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The company under study has no debts. The result for the level of the company's debt obligations, very good, 2 points. The company's market value to earnings ratio is 29.3, with an average in the subcategory of 27.4. Evaluation of stock market value to profit ratios in comparison with subcategory organizations, passable, 0 points. Profits for the last 12 months were $10 million. Future profits over the next 12 months are estimated to be $20 million. Assessment of expected future profit indicators in comparison with companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's price to revenue ratio is 0.3. The average in the subcategory is 1.6. Evaluation of the company's stock price to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $1,090 million. Forward revenue for the next 12 months is provisionally $1,620 million. Assessment of the indicator of projected future revenue in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The marginality is 0.9%. With the average for the subcategory being 5.8%. Profitability assessment compared to indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's share in the subcategory by number of personnel is 1.348%. This is 1,160% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the company is $39,000, while for the subcategory it is $485,000. Assessment of the volume of market capital per employee compared to the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The profit per employee is $1,300, with an average for the subcategory of $17,700. Evaluation of profit per individual employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The volume of revenue per employee of the organization is $144,000. In the subcategory, $308,000. Evaluation of sales volume per individual employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The volume of short transactions is 6%, with an average for the subcategory of 5.7%. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 28% for the company Torrid Holdings Inc. For the subcategory, this level is approximately 55%. The actual valuation of the company's shares is approximately $2.80. The consensus price target for the company's shares is approximately $5.21. Let's look at the order table that is available to you. Link in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions previously made this season by the evaluation information and reference System.GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. Based on the analysis of the company's securities Torrid Holdings Inc. Information and reference System.GURU.Markets, a decision is made. Open a buy trade at $2.79 per share. The deal is open because the company has a relatively good valuation and price trend. The company's assessment was carried out using the assessment method, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at 4.14. Stop loss is set at 1.44. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the order will be closed automatically at the end of the trading session on August 15, 2025, or on the last trading day before this date. Ticker HBI is a balance sheet transaction for sale. The video on the balancing order will be or has already been published on this channel. In case of closing of any of the orders, the main or balancing, the second order is closed at the last price. Thank you very much, audience, for watching this video and for using the help System.GURU.Markets.